Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 4 winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general. If you want to learn more about this, stay with me in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Number 1 product that you can start selling now is this product. It's called vegetables and a free spiller or cutter. This is a winning product because it simplifies kitchen related work, or it simplifies kitchen related activities. So this also is a winning product. Another good thing about this product is that the rating is very high, as you can see here. The buyer that have bought this product, majority have rated 4.9 out of 5. And what does it mean? This means that majority who have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you want to sell this product, you don't have to worry about quality, because the majority of customers that have already bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So I always insist that choose only the products or sell only the products that have high quality and that the customers can be satisfied. This is among of those products that you should sell. Another good thing about this product is that it is very easy to ship because it is small. The size is small, so you don't need to incur other shipping costs that are very high. So this product also is a good product to sell because you will save a lot of other costs, for example, shipping costs. So for example, even the seller here sells only $1.1 US. So you can sell up to $7 or $9 US, depending to our location, depending where you are. Now, not only that, but also the seller here offers free shipping. Also, you can offer free shipping when you are selling, but you can sell up to $7 US to $9 US. Another good thing about this product is that if you target well on your ads, you are going to get so many sales. Now, if you want to learn more how another winning product that you can start selling now is this product. It's called lunchbox, which can be used for food storage. This also is a winning product. I'm going to give you the evidence why I consider this one as a winning product. Now, let me show you some of the photos of this product, as you can see here. So this one also is a winning product because most of the buyers that have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. Not only that, there are so many buyers who have already bought this product, more than 5,000 orders within the past few months. What does it mean? This means that there is a need out there. So if you market well and advertise well this kind of product, you are going to explode sales on your store. What you need is how to target well your ads, your customers according to their age, according to their sex, and so forth, so forth. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can market well each of this product. So stay with me until the end of this video. Another good thing about this product, it can be shipped for free, and if you are in the United States, you can start dropshipping right away by using ePact. ePact is a very good shipping option because you can ship this product for only 10 to 15. It takes only 10 to 15 days to be delivered in USA. Also, if you are out of USA, you also can sell this product because the seller here ships all over the world. So you can start selling this product wherever you may be in this world. And another good thing about this product is the price. Its price also is affordable when you compare to its value that it offers. Now, here the selling price is only $5.1 US. So you can sell up to 15 to 20 US, depending to your location and other related costs. So if you want to sell well also this product, try to offer free shipping. Most of the customers are interested with the free shipping. That's why you can see even the seller here offers free shipping. Free shipping attracts so many customers. Also, try to apply on your store when you are selling these affordable products. Now, if you have been looking for a winning product, also you can try this product. Another good thing about this product, the rating is 4.9. So what does it mean? This means that majority of bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So you don't have to worry about the quality of this product because it has already been proved that the quality is good, and the customers that have already bought and tested this product have confirmed that the quality of this product is good, so you don't have to worry about that. So number 3 product that you can start selling right now is this product. It is called BBQ Reusable Match or baking mat, as you can see it here. This also is a winning product because buyers that have already bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product, as I can show you right now here. So buyers that have bought this product in the past few months have rated 4.9. So majority have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So quality is very important in business. You need repetitive customers. So also if you sell this kind of product, you are going to get repetitive customers because the majority that have already bought this product have already testified that the quality of this product also is good. So buyers like products that have good quality, but also not only the quality, but also its price also is affordable. As you can see here, it only costs 1.7 US dollars. So it only costs 1.7 US dollars. So you can sell up to 7 to 10 US dollars. The pricing will depend to your location where you are right now. So what the price that I can recommend is that you can sell from 7 US dollars to 10 US dollars, depending on your location and other related costs. So if you've been looking for a winning product, consider selling also this product. Another good thing about this product that the seller offers free shipping. So you can start selling this product wherever you may be in this world, because the seller delivers this product all over the world. Another product that you can start selling right now is this product. It's called pyramid baking mats. This also is a mat, but more advanced, as you can see it here. Even though its price is a bit higher than the previous one. So also it has very good quality because the buyers that have bought this product have most majority have been satisfied with the quality of this product. As you can see here, most have rated 4.9. This means that majority of bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So you don't have to worry anything about the quality of this product if you want to start selling this kind of products. You want to sell products that customers will be happy. If you make your customers happy, also your pockets will be happy. Now, it's very important, I always insist to sell products that are genuine. Don't sell products that are fake and that are of poor quality, because by doing so, you'll be chasing customers. So if you target well also this kind of product you are going to sell, you are going to get so many sales on your store. Also, the price, this one is 4.5 US dollars. And still are also affordable. The price also is affordable to most of the customers. So the price that I can recommend, you can sell this kind of product from 15 US dollars to 20 US dollars, depending on your location and other related costs. So if you have been looking for a winning product, consider that this one also to sell on your store. Another good thing about this product is that it simplifies kitchen-related works. We human beings want things that can simplify our daily activities. So this one also adds value to people's lives. So if you want to sell well this kind of product, target women. You are going to sell so many because women who are interested much on this category. So, and how can you market and advertise this kind of product in order to get so many sales immediately? Now, the best way is to use Instagram influencers, and Pinterest. But also, if you know well how to learn successful Facebook ads, start with Facebook ads and target women. You are going to get so many sales on your store. So if you are an expert on Facebook ads, start learning the Facebook ads and target women. Most are interested with this kind of products, kitchen-related activities.